Hello, this is a track overview video for the Solid State Storage Solutions track at SDC. My name is Mark Carlson. I'm with Kioxia, and I'm the co-chair of the SNIA Technical Council. The first talk I'm overviewing is my own, and this is on enabling Ethernet drives. What we're talking about here is Ethernet drives sort of coming out from behind the controller. Usually drives are terminated as far as NVMe OF is concerned at a controller. And then they change what is essentially a network capsule into PCIe commands to the actual drives. Well, this can actually become a bottleneck, and quite quickly as NVMe SSDs increase in performance. And it's also a cost that has to be paid every time you add a new controller tray. What we're doing with Ethernet SSDs instead is putting the NVMe OF connection directly on the drive itself, either as built into the SoC, perhaps on board the chip. Maybe there's an external bridge or dongle, or maybe it's actually integrated inside the SoC on the SSD. SNIA has come up with a new standard for the pinouts of Ethernet drives, and we've done this for both the 8639 connector as well as the 1002 EDSFF type connector. Another talk is an SSD for automotive applications. This is work that Bill Gervasi, the principal systems architect at Nantero, is working on. And he's looking for something like a 64 gigatransfers per second peak throughput on PCI 4. And taking the SSD signals, as well as SM bus and even JTAG standards, and incorporating them into some sort of automotive SSD standard that all the drive manufacturers and auto manufacturers would all agree on. They're particularly conscious of security. We don't want people hacking your cars. We don't want the data that might have personally identifiable information there to get out of the car, except via the manufacturer who's going to take care of it. So they're looking to DMTF and to Oasis for some of the security pieces of this. But they're absolutely concerned about the automotive SSD and making sure that that cannot be hacked. So go look for this track out there in the SDC site. Participate in our online chat in the Slack room, and check out the Birds of Feather sessions in the afternoon and evening. Be sure to rate each session that you watch. And then for additional details, see the Introduction to Virtual SDC video to maximize your experience. Enjoy.